vibrators being flown by Lieutenant Colonel, United States Air Force retired Michael Kennedy. He was not yet born when this BG-13 was built, but his love of flying has driven his life. He was raised in the Midwest in a non-flying family, but his earliest memories are an airplane. He read every aviation book in his hometown library before he was in high school. Michael was the first from his Wisconsin hometown to attend the Air Force Academy, and he completed his pilot training with his dream assignment to fly fighters. Also blessed by his sweetie agreeing to marry this young fighter pilot, the 20-year Air Force career saw flying assignments that included 400 combat missions during 3 combat tours in the F-4 Phantom II. Various command assignments, and he completed his military flying in the A-10 Warthog. With his soulmate Mary, they raised 2 children, moving often with short notice, which was the military life. Although Michael was awarded over 30 decorations for his combat first 5 years of their marriage, the sacrifices of a military family. Developing 450 horsepower and almost 5,000 pounds of airplane. A total of 11,530